Shifting focus to India now, where the government of the state of Uttarakhand is trying to bring in a uniform civil code. A bill was tabled by the Chief Minister, Pushkar Singh Dhami. It proposes a common law on marriage, divorce, land, property and inheritance for all citizens, irrespective of their religion. If the bill is enacted, Uttarakhand will become the first Indian state to adopt the Uniform Civil Code after gaining independence in 1947. It has been operational in the Indian state of Goa since the days of Portuguese colonial rule. The Uniform Civil Code, or the UCC, is a hotly debated topic in India. It also comes months ahead of the elections in India. It is an important issue because implementing UCC is among the long-running pleasures of Prime Minister Modi's party, the BJP. And as the BJP seeks a third term, UCC is one topic that is bound to keep coming up. So let's just understand what this is all about. A uniform civil code is a set of laws that govern personal matters. The UCC is based on the idea that there is no link between religion and law in modern societies. While it is common practice in many countries to have a uniform code, in India, Hindus, Muslims, Christians and large tribal populations follow their own personal laws and customs. There is also an optional secular code which is used for marriage, divorce, adoption and inheritance. UCC also features in the Indian Constitution. Article 44, corresponding with the directive principles of state policy, says that the state shall try to provide for a citizen a uniform civil code throughout India. So what is the UCC bill that was tabled today? The bill that was tabled by the BJP-led government in Uttarakhand includes recommendations like complete ban on polygamy. It also bans child marriage. Some of the key features of the bill including a proposal to increase the legal age of marriage for girls to 21 years, equal rights for men and women on matters pertaining to divorce, as well as shares in ancestral property. It offers full rights to children who were adopted, born out of wedlock, or conceived through surrogate births. Some of these measures are meant to combat a disturbing trend. In recent years, a majority in the Hindu community tended to marry off daughters after they turned 18, but Islam's Sharia laws do not restrict the marriage of girls who are minors. The state cabinet has given its approval to the draft bill on Sunday. Chief Minister Dhami has said that the proposed UCC bill will not only be for the good of all sections, but it also aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. It means welfare for all. According to Indian media reports, a government-appointed panel led by retired Supreme Court Judge Ranjana Prakash Desai drafted the 749-page report. It contains several recommendations. The panel also collected 2.33 lakh pieces of written feedback online. They also organized more than 70 public forums. And during these meetings, panel members engaged with roughly 60,000 people, and that is how the draft came into being. The recommendations in this report are aimed at fostering gender equality and social cohesion. In the state of Uttarakhand, a special 4-day assembly session has started. It will continue till Thursday. The recommendations will be deliberated upon during this session. The proposed Uniform Civil Code in Uttarakhand reportedly goes beyond religious boundaries. It seeks to ban practices like halala and iddat, which are Islamic practices that a woman must go through after a divorce or the death of the husband. The recommendations also promote declaration of live-in relationships once the proposed UCC is in place. Live-in relationships will have to be registered under law. Legal experts claim that registration of such relationships would benefit both men and women. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.